Hello kids, welcome to my channel Creative Young Artist. Today we are going to learn about how to tell time, hours and minutes made easy. Hi kids, have you ever wondered how to read a clock? Today we will learn how to tell the time using hours and minutes. Let's get started. Parts of a clock: the hour hand, the minute hand. In this picture, you can see the hour hand is the smaller one and the minute hand is the bigger one. First, let's look at the hour hand. It's the short hand on the clock and it tells us what hour it is. For example, if the short hand is pointing at 9, it's 9 o'clock. As you can see in the picture, the short hand is on 9. So it is 9 o'clock. Next we have the minute hand. It's the long hand on the clock and it tells us the minutes. Each number on the clock equals 5 minutes. As you can see in the picture, there is 5 minutes between each number. Now it's reading time. How to read a time? First, we check o'clock. When the long hand points to 12, it's exactly o'clock. For example, if the short hand is on 8 and the long hand is on 12, it's 8 o'clock. As you can see in the picture, short hand is on 8 and long hand is on 12, it's 8 o'clock. Now, minutes past the hour. To read the minutes, count by 5 as you go around the clock. For example, if the long hand is on 3, it is 15 minutes past the hour. As you can see in the picture, it is 10 past 15 because long hand is on 3. Now let's learn about half past. When the long end is on 6, we say it's half past the hour. For example, if short hand is on 5 and long hand is on 6, the time is half past 5. As you can see in the picture, the short hand is on 5. What time is it? Let's practice. The short hand is on 8 and the long hand is on 12. What time is it? You are right. It's 8 o'clock. The short hand is on 5 and the long hand is on 6. What time is it? Yes, you are right. It's half past 5. The short hand is on 1 and the long hand is on 3. What time is it? Yes, you are right. It's 1 past 15. You are doing great, kids. Keep practicing and soon you will be a time-telling pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Goodbye for now.